Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to trim the beginnings and the ends of a video in CapCut, and I'm also going to show you how to do it really quickly. So let's say I want to upload a video, so I'm going to quickly look for one, and let's go with this one. So I'm going to drag this clip into my timeline right here, and I'm going to show you two ways or three ways that you can quickly edit the ends of the video. So the first way is by doing so here in the media browser. As you can see, when you click on the clip, it gets highlighted and trim bars appear at the start and the end. You can already quickly trim the beginning and the end of the video right here. So I'm just going to delete this and drag the trimmed version into my timeline. And as you can see, it is now only 6 seconds long instead of the usual 10 seconds. So that's one way of doing it, but it does take a little bit of finesse, and the way that I would prefer to do it is within the timeline itself. So I'm going to load the full clip into my timeline, and there's a similar situation here where you can drag the end and the beginning of the video with the trim bars. So that's another way of doing it, and that also allows you a little bit more control because you get a clearer picture of where the video is in your timeline. But the method that I prefer is by moving the playhead. So I'm going to move the playhead from left to right on the video. So let's say this is where I want the video to start. I'm going to press Q because Q is currently assigned to my delete left button right here. Then I'm going to quickly scan the video some more. And then I'm going to look at where I want the video to end. And then I'm going to press W because W is assigned to my delete right key or delete right tool right now. So if you're editing lots of videos at once, you can quickly do this process, and it's going to save you a lot and a lot of time as so. So like in just a few seconds, I was able to edit the other two clips, and it didn't take me that much effort. So it's a great efficiency tip and life hack for editing in CapCut or pretty much any video editing software with these tools. That's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.